Hello and welcome to our Wednesday morning midweek update here with DoubleUp Trading. I hope you've all had a lovely 3-day weekend. Thanks so much for joining us today. If you're tuning in for the first time, please visit our channel or check out the description to learn more about DoubleUp Trading and what we do. Because the U.S. stock markets were closed this Monday for Martin Luther King Jr. Day, we actually placed most of our orders for this week yesterday. That said, we have a total of 3 orders expiring this Friday, January 23rd. The first being 10 QuantumScape, expiring January 23rd. We're selling an $11 call, and it executed for 26 cents, which is just under 2.5% of our original strike price. We also sold 10 Big Bear AI for Friday, January 23rd. It's a $6 put, and the order executed for 27 cents, which is 4.5% of our $6 strike price. And finally, we've got 10 Resolve AI, expiring this Friday. We've sold a $3.50 put, and it executed for 15 cents, which comes out to about 4.3% of our original strike. Since all 3 of our orders have executed, that means we've already made $680 in premium for this week. Nice job! Way to go, you guys. If you've been keeping an eye on the news, you've probably noticed the tensions that have been building internationally in regards to tariff discussions and world trade. Especially over the last few days, we can see how market indexes have jumped from one direction to the next as they continue to reflect the ever-changing environments and events that influence the world all around us. For example, in the midst of U.S. President Donald Trump's recent interest in gaining control of Greenland, we've watched the stock indexes take a sharp dive yesterday, falling farther than they have in months. And yet, after Trump clarified in a speech this morning that the U.S. won't use force to acquire the nation, we can see how the markets have shot back up in response to his words. While the struggles with Greenland, tariffs, and international trade agreements are likely far from over, it is interesting to see just how drastically the stock indexes can shift from day to day depending on what's happening in the world. With that in mind, be sure to come back this Friday, January 23rd for our final forecast of the week. And remember, if you want to learn more about options trading, stock indexes, news that drives the markets, and more, feel free to follow us here or check out the description for more information. Thanks again for stopping by and sharing your time with us here at DoubleUp Trading. We wish you all a wonderful Wednesday, and we'll see you on Friday.